Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this box. This is insane. So this is another birthday entry. And this is coming from Patty, who is Mommynmecrafts on YouTube and Instagram. You guys, this box is gorgeous. She used Abby's newest paper line, her very first paper line, which is a Spooky Boo, something. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I did a haul on her paper collection, and look at what she put on my box. Is she crazy? Look at this box. It's so gorgeous. I'm sorry. I'm trying to not show, but she used the ghosties to write our address on. And it's the boy ghosts and the girl ghosts. And then she's got the fish paper. And then she blew up the little pumpkin candy bucket right there. You see all that? I could not share it. And then this is the side. Isn't this beautiful? I can't even speak, guys. And then it says, hello, gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Let me get into this gorgeous box. Oh, crazy. Oh my goodness. I don't even want to cut the paper, guys. I'm sorry. Just bear with me when I cut the paper away, because no way am I going to cut this gorgeous paper in half. I will cut it off the top of the box, and then, see? Just like that. Open. Oh my gosh. Look at this freaking gigantic confetti that's already coming out of this thing. Oh my gosh. Let me grab a bucket. Oh my gosh. I'm putting it in my bucket. It's in my bucket. It's super full. Holy smithers. She sent me fluffy stuff. What? Cat and candy birthday cake? What? Okay, I'm gonna move the box. Oh my gosh. Are you serious right now, Patty? Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't even know how to take it out of the box. Oh my god. Let me move that over. Oh, and yeah, this little skull is in the box. It's just in there. Yeah. Oh my gosh, Patty. Okay, I'm just pulling out whatever it is that comes out. So I'm just gonna lay it here, because it looks to me like there's something very dimensional. Oh. You guys are crazy. Why are you sending me these gorgeous things? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Oh. I don't know where he was. So, okay, we have a loose guy here, and then I have something else right here. So we'll figure him out. I don't know where he goes, so we're gonna figure him out. But there's confetti everywhere. Oh my god. Oh, this is so cute, Patty. So cute. And then, look at this. She gave me a baddie bat. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful, Patty. What? I'm just gonna peel away the, the strings. There's no point peeling it if you're just gonna drop it right back onto the projects, Eileen. and then, okay, that is perfect. Good. So, oh, yes, girl, yes. So there's some, what's it called? Shred in the inside. Look at this gorgeousness. Oh, look, she told me not to watch it. I saw her, she had a VR posted, and she said don't watch. So I did not watch. I was good, Patty. I was good. So, oh my gosh, you could even fill all the way to the top of the hat. This is so crazy. This is so crazy, Patty. You guys, let me see if I can put it all together. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Okay, hold on. I don't know how to do this. But this is so gorgeous. Okay, I'm trying to figure it out, guys. Trying to figure it. Oh, okay, there. I just couldn't get it lined up. That was the problem. This is going to be in my front entryway. Because why not? Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. Or maybe let me turn it one time. Now I gotta figure out how to put it back on. There we go. Oh my gosh, I'm the worst at puzzles, guys. Okay, there we go, there we go. I'm guessing the guy goes somewhere here. This little guy, but he only has like on the feet. So I don't know where exactly. Does it matter, Patty? Does it matter where I put him, or can I put him anywhere? Let me see. Let me see, let me see, let me see. No, he doesn't go there. Whoopsies. I don't know, guys. Just bear with me. I'll probably fast forward you guys through this nonsense of mine. Okay, here we go. Isn't she beautiful? I am in love with this 3D pumpkin house. This reminds me of James and the Giant Peach. It's so hard to show you guys every detail. Oh, there's a skull stuck to him. The scully skull. He don't go there. There we go. Oh my gosh. Isn't she beautiful? I'm saying she because she's wearing a hat and it says Spell Company. So beautiful, Patty. Everything came out so gorgeous. I love her hat. And look at these gourds right here. And then you have all these little sceneries on this pumpkin all the way around. I scream! Oh my gosh, I love this. It's so beautiful. Oh. Oh my gosh, Patty, why did you give me this? I can't stop looking at it. Okay, let me get back to business. So let's go to this little treaty bag right here because it's super cute. And they're little tiny ones. Let's see what she did. Oh, look at what she did. Look at what she did. It says Batty Candy. And you guys, it's a shaker. It's a shaker. And she's got bats in there. Wait, let me look at it for a minute. It's a candy jar. It's a candy jar. And the candies are the shakers. You got stars. You got bats. Oh, this is so adorable. She's got a vellum rosette right here. And on top of the rosette, she has some spider webs layered on top. The gold spider webs. And then she has this, is this a broom? So, okay, so from here all the way up to here, this is a broom. There's gorgeous little flowers right here with some stickles on them. And there's another itty bitty bat right there and more of the spider webs. And then she has more spider webs on the top of this jar. And she put a hat on the pumpkin. Look at this face. Look at his face. And she's got some bows. Purple and gold. Purple and gold. Thank you so much, Patty. This is beautiful, girl. This is just so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for sharing that with me. Oh, I think this is the second one. This is a different one. Look at that. It says bubble tea. And she has these spiders right here. Well, a spider. Oh, that's a hard body spider right there. But the legs are like paper. I love this little bow she has on the top with some little gemmy gem right there. And this one she used the silver holographic spider webs. Look at this one. It has part purple and part of the silver holographic. And then she has a little silver spider right there. There's the bubble tea that's part of the collection. There's a little orange Halloween candy. And then she stickled up this little bat right here and the little flowers and more shaker bits, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is such a cute mix. Oh, I love this, Patty. Thank you so much. Girl. so much work. You gave me so much work, lady. And then this one is just a little handmade envelope, and she stamped it. It says Happy Halloween. This is just some page from a book, and some of the sewn crepe paper ruffle with a little yarn bow. Oh, I love that idea. We all have yarn. You might as well use that. And this is her memory dex card. I love this paper though. It looks so vintagey. So perfect for Halloween. Oh, with the gold thread even. Look at the fancy stitches. With the gold thread even. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Patty. Look at her memory dex card. Oh, she's got loose confettis. Yes, yes, yes. So we have the same Halloween collection from our very own Cat Paper Love, who is Abby. And she used, she cut out a bat from the collection. She's got Spooky here up in the top corner. She's got a little gold star die cut, and she used some of that Dollar Tree mesh ribbon that Dollar Tree's selling for Halloween. It's got the orange spider web on there. You can barely see it in there. She used some of the cacti, the ghost, the Spelling Company cut out. Little ghosty with the little bat balloon. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Patty, thank you so much. And she stitched all the way around with some black thread. Such a pretty memory dex card. Oh my gosh. And so her information is hiding behind this she ripped the paper right here. So cute. Look at this side pocket action going on right here. So let's see what she has. She put the ghost with the little company store in the front, and then she just added her information, Patty, and she's from Texas. Her birthday's May 16th, and her faves are all crafty things, and then she got a little smiley face on there. That is so cute, Patty. I know we're all busy, you know, but it just means a lot that you guys even enter, period. But to make this extra 3D project, oh my goodness. All the projects that have been coming in have just been blowing me away. So much creativity. I don't know why I put that back in there. Hello. Leave it out, Eileen. So thank you so much, Patty. You guys, if you could see my table, it's a hot mess. I'm really struggling here, but here we go. These are her lovely items and her beautiful memory dex card. I'll share her information down below in the description box. Please go check out her channel. Send her some crafty love, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.